Hello friends, welcome to our channel Narayani Tech Academy. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the update of our latest videos. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss the MCQ questions of Science Part 1 for Standard 10th English Medium. The question based on the complete syllabus of Science Part 1. Therefore, this video is going to be very helpful to all the students who are in Standard 10. So let's start the video. The first question is, if the distance between two bodies becomes half, the gravitational force between them becomes dash, and the options are half, second option 1/4, and C option 4 times, and the correct option is option C, 4 times. Next question is, the gravitational force on the surface of the moon is dash times than that on the surface of the earth, and the options are A option 5, B option 1/6, and C option 1/5, and the correct option is option B, 1/6. Third question is, the gravitational force causes dash. Option first, tides, option B, circular motion of moon, and option C, both A and B, and the correct option is option C, both A and B, tides and circular motion of moon. Fourth question is, when an object is thrown upward, the force of gravity dash. What? Option A is opposite to the direction of motion, is in the same direction as that of motion. Option C, increases as it rises up, and the correct option is option A, is opposite to the direction of motion. Let's see the another question. The weight of body gradually decreases from dash. Option A, equator to poles, option B, poles to equators, and option C, pole to pole, and the correct option is option B, poles to equator. Sixth question is, the number of electrons is in the outermost shell of alkali metals is. The number of electrons in the outermost shell of alkali metals is dash. How many numbers? Number 1, number 3, and number 7. The correct option is number 1. Seventh question is, alkaline earth metals have valency 2. This means that their position in the modern periodic table is in dash. The options are group 2, group 16, and period 2, and the correct option is option A, group 2. Eighth question is, molecular formula of the chloride of an element X is HCl. This compound is a solid having high melting point. So, which is the following element be present in the same group as X? The options are Mg, option B, Si, or option C, Na, and the correct option is option C, Na. Let's discuss the ninth question. In which block of the modern periodic table are non-metals present? The options are S block, option B, P block, or option C, F block. The correct option is option B, P block. Next question is atomic radius of lithium is dash pm. Atomic radius of lithium is dash pm. Options are 152, option B 41 or option C 157. And the correct option is option A 152. Next question is oily food kept out for few days gives a bad taste and a bad smell because of corrosion, heating or rancidity. The correct option is rancidity. Next question is what is rust? What is rust? Sodium oxide, iron oxide or copper oxide? The correct option is, we all know that, iron oxide. Next question is dash is a physical change. Ice changes into water, milk is set into curd or ripening of fruits. The correct option is ice changes into water. Next question is antioxidants are used to prevent dash of food containing fats and oils. The options are reduction, option B oxidation and option C decomposition. Increase from 1 degree Celsius to 3 degree Celsius, then the density of water dash what remains same? B option increase, C option decrease. So what is the correct option? The correct option is option B, increase. 21st question is aquatic plants and animals can survive in cold region because of dash. Aquatic plants and animals can survive in cold region because of dash. The correct option is between them. The options are humidity, dew point, anomalous behavior of water. So the correct option is option C, anomalous behavior of water. 22nd question is at dew point the relative humidity is dash, and the options are 100%, 10% or 50%. The correct option is option A, 100%. 23rd question is, if the pressure is applied on ice, its melting point dash. What is the melting point if the pressure is applied on ice? The options are decrease, B increase, and C fluctuates. And the correct option is option A, decrease. 24th question is, what is the reason for the twinkling of stars? What is the reason for twinkling of stars? Let's see the options are option A, explosion occurring, option B, motion of stars, and option C, changing refractive index of the atmospheric gases. And the correct option is option C, changing refractive index of the atmospheric gases. Let's see the another questions. We can see the sun even when it is little below the horizon because we can see the sun even when it is little below the horizon because dash. And the options are reflection of light, due to refraction of light, or due to dispersion of light. And the correct option is option B, refraction of light. Let's see the question number 26. For the normal human eye, the distance of distinct vision is dash. What is the distance of distinct vision is? Options are 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter or 25 centimeter. And the correct option is option C, 25 centimeter. Twenty-seventh question is, the power of convex lens of focal length 50 centimeter is dash. The options are 2D, 0.2D, 0.5D, and the correct option is option number A, 2D. Next question is, the image is formed on the dash of the human eye, and the options are cornea, retina, pupil. We all know the correct option is option number B, retina. Next question is, in myopia, dash objects can be seen clearly. Options are A, distant, option B, big, option C, nearby. And the correct option is option number C, nearby. 30th question is, in simple microscope, dash lens is used. In simple microscope, dash lens is used. The options are concave, diverging or convex, and the correct option is option C, convex. Next question is, dash is not a metalloid. What is not metalloid? The options are silicon, option B is antimony, and option C is aluminium, and the correct option is option C, aluminium. Next question is, dash has the highest melting point. which has the highest melting point? Option A, tungsten, option B, copper, and option C, zinc. And the correct option is tungsten. Third question is, dash is the most reactive metal. Which among them is the most reactive metal? Option A, sodium, option B, potassium, option C, calcium. And the correct option is option B, potassium. 34th question is, metal oxides are generally dash in nature. Metal oxides are generally dash in nature, and the options are acidic, option B, basic, option C, both acidic and basic. And the correct option is option B, cinnabar is an array of dash, sodium, iron or mercury. And the correct option is option C, mercury. 36th question is, ethanol is used as an additive to increase the efficiency of petrol. Such a fuel is called dash. Option A, ethanol, option B, canol, option C, gasol. And the correct option is option C, Thirty-seventh question is, what are the products obtained on complete combustion of hydrocarbon? Dash. And the options are CO plus H2O, option B, CO2 plus H2O, and option C, CO plus H2. And the correct option is option B, CO2 plus H2O. 38th question is, which of the following is the communication satellite of India? Options are INSAT, option B, EduSat, option C, AstroSat. And the correct option is INSAT. INSAT is the communication satellite of India. The second last question of this video is, launching of rocket is based on Newton's dash law of motion. Launching of rocket is based on Newton dash law of motion. Which of the law of motion? Option A is first, option B is second, and option C is third. And the correct option is option C, third law of motion. And the last question of this video is, dash is known as pioneer of Indian space program. Who is known as a pioneer of Indian space program? Options are Rakesh Sharma, option B, Vikram Sarabhai, and option C, Yuri Gagarin. And the answer is Vikram Sarabhai.